Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to play Clash Royale on PC. If you want to play mobile games like Clash Royale on your PC, you do not need a phone. You can install the Google Play Store directly on your computer. This allows you to download and run your favorite Android games, just like you would on a mobile device. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get started. First, open your browser and search for Google Play, Store PC. Visit the first website, which is the official Google Play Store website. Here, you will find the Download on PC button. By clicking on it, it will start downloading. In the top right corner, click on the arrow icon. After it's complete downloading, click on Install. Now, it will start installing the Google Play Store. Then, sign in with Google by choosing your Google account. You can finish the installation procedure. After that, open your Google Play Store. Lastly, search for Clash Royale and download it to play on PC. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.